Hey everyone, ready to have your mind blown? Today we're diving into some incredible facts that are guaranteed to surprise you. Did you know honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. A single cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. It's hard to believe something so light and fluffy could be that heavy, but it's true. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Talk about being heartful. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Botanically speaking, bananas fit the definition of a berry, while strawberries do not. Mind blown? The inventor of the Pringles can is now buried in one. When Fred Bauer passed away in 2008, his ashes were buried in a Pringles can as per his request. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus takes about 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. There's a species of jellyfish that can revert to its juvenile form after reaching adulthood, potentially making it immortal. It's called Turritopsis dohrnii. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. They can slow their heart rate and hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. Did you know that Scotland's national animal is the unicorn? It's a symbol of purity, innocence, and power in Celtic mythology. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. These birds sure know how to make a statement with their name. Butterflies taste with their feet. They have taste sensors on their feet to help them find their host plants and locate food. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches. The universe is vast and full of mysteries. Humans and giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae. Both species have 7 neck vertebrae, but giraffes are much longer. A flock of crows is known as a murder. This eerie term dates back to the 15th century, when groups of animals were given poetic names. Avocados are poisonous to birds. The fruit contains persin, which can be harmful or even deadly to our feathered friends. Did you know that you can't hum while holding your nose? Try it. It's impossible because you need to exhale through your nose to create the sound. The shortest war in history lasted just 38 minutes. It was between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer due to the expansion of iron in the heat. Some sea cucumbers fight with their guts, literally. They expel their internal organs to entangle predators and escape. There's a planet that's shaped like a potato. Haumea, a dwarf planet in our solar system, has a unique elongated shape. Subscribe to become smarter and get more mind-blowing facts like these. Thanks for watching and see you next time.